we're having meat and potatoes. May not be the meat he particularly wants, but it's filling, it's good, and you can still afford it. All right, here are all your ingredients. This is it, folks. It is so simple. It's an easy weeknight meal. It'll easily feed 3 or 4 people, and let's just get after it. You're going to need about 1 pound or 1.5 pounds of new potatoes, a couple of pieces of smoked sausage. Okay, if you have some aversion, I wouldn't know why, but if you had some aversion to smoked sausage, you could use kielbasa or you could use andouille. Either one of those would make a perfect substitute for this. Good. You'll need some green onions, a half a stick of butter, a teaspoon of curry, a teaspoon of mustard of your choice, as much salt as you like, and as much pepper as you like. That's it. That's it, folks. We are up. We are looking for a medium-high flame. I'm going to drop this pan right here, try to center it, and let her get hot. All right, while my pan is heating up and getting hot over there, I'm going to start cutting my veggies. And what I'm going to do is these are small new potatoes, and I just want to make little wedges, but I want them kind of uniform. So just however, make them about the same size. All right, I'm gonna put my half a stick of butter in there. My pan is hot, see that sizzle? That's half a stick of butter. There we go. Okay, it's time to put my potatoes in there. And I'm gonna just drop them. There we go. Okay, at this point, this is all you want. This is it. You just want to let them sit here for about 10 minutes. Now you can, give them a little flip here and there, but basically, without anything on it, you just want it to sit there on that medium flame. While we're waiting on these potatoes, I'll also tell you, these are curried potatoes. So you don't have to serve them with sausage. You can serve them with chicken, pork, beef, whatever you're having. I mean, it really doesn't, it's very, very versatile. And all it takes is some potatoes and some onions and some butter and a few spices. Perfect pantry meal. Wednesday night, it's late, you're hungry. Just whip this up. Dinner done, kids fed, hubby happy, happy life. All right, this is what your potatoes should look like after one stir in about 10 minutes. They're starting to brown up. They're starting to soften a little bit. Okay, now it's time to put the rest of our ingredients in. Okay, we're going to need a teaspoon of curry powder. I love the smell of curry. It is just wonderful. All right, now I need 1 teaspoon of mustard. I'm using a stone ground Dijon, but whatever your favorite mustard is, that's the kind you use. Okay, now I'm going to put my salt. Now salt's all relative. Depends on how much salt you like. I'm just going to go once across. That may be 1/4 teaspoon or so. Same thing with pepper. I'm just going to liberally shake that across. It's probably 1/8 teaspoon maybe. And we're just going to get that stirred up and get my mustard on all those potatoes. Doesn't that make a weeknight meal special? Look at that. Look how pretty. Okay, now we're going to get the lid on it, and we're going to turn the eye down low and let our potatoes finish cooking. Okay, now we're going to get our sausage ready. Get on the pan while that potatoes are cooking, and they should get done right around the same time. Cut this like this. Cut it right down the center. Now it's ready for the pan. Now we got to get that pan hot. Now don't stick nothing on a pan unless it's hot. And we're just going to put that on a medium low flame and put my crusty looking pan up there. Now we're just going to get it. See that sizzle? My pan's hot. Put this on here. We're just going to let that get good and brown. Okay, now we're going to check on these. Make sure we're not sticking, and we're not. Oh, it smells so good. I just love the smell of curry. I really do. Okay. They're looking fine, fine. Okay, at this point, we're going to check them. Yep, they're nice and brown. Kind of like that. And we're going to flip them all over and do the same thing to the back side. Now we're done. Just let them cook. Open this lid. We're going to give them a good stir. Hang in there with me, guys. We've almost got it. Dinner is served. All right, dinner's done. We're fixing to go eat. But I wanted to tell you, this is less than $5 for us. I don't know where you live or, the circumstance, but here, new potatoes are still relatively, they're like maybe $5 for a 5-pound bag now, which is outrageous in itself, but still divided up, for Randy and I, that's still very inexpensive. And the sausage, it's a company called Registers. I don't know that that's just local to us, but it's a wonderful sausage, and they make these great big packs, and they're like $13 or something for the whole pack. I buy one and then I divide it up, in twos like that. If my grandkids come over, there's still enough left for them, or I make Randy a sausage sandwich tomorrow, or But it's less than $5, so it can be done. It can be done. Y'all have a great night. Bye.